today I want to show you how I've been making some decent money online. Typically you can expect to earn between £1,000 and £2,000 a month doing this system. The good things about this are that everything you earn is tax-free, and the criteria for getting involved are that you need to be in the UK, you need to be 18 or over, and you need about 50 quid to put in initially. You could probably do it on less, but I'd recommend you need about 50 quid. Okay, it'll take you an hour every day. You could limit that to weekdays if you wanted, but like anything, if you put in more than an hour a day, you could expect to earn significantly more, and especially if you do it on the weekends, because there's plenty of cash flying around on the weekends, which will become more apparent as you get deeper into this system. So what is match betting? Match betting is all about covering every possible outcome of an event, okay? And it also includes taking advantage of the promotional free bets that all of the bookies dish out day after day after day. So an example of one of those is a sign-up offer. So this is a typical thing that a bookie will do. They will say, oh, if you sign up with us and bet £5 or £10 or whatever it is, we'll give you a £20 free bet or a £30 free bet. They're all very different, but there's a lot of them out there. The example I've got on the left is the Coral sign-up offer, which is bet £5, get £20 for free. So I'll show you how you could get the £20 free bet without really spending a fiver. That's the first half of how you make risk-free profit with this system. I'm not going to show you the second half because that is much better explained by Sam, and you get full training with the free account. So all you've got to do is, after watching this video, is click the link down there, sign up for a free account and watch his training, because it is so much better than I could ever do. So, but I'll show you the basics anyway. So for the Coral offer on the right that you can see, what you could do is, to get that £20 free bet without having to spend a fiver, you could go to Coral, deposit £5, and you could bet on Liverpool to win, say, okay? And then what you need to do then is cover the other possible outcomes, which would be Liverpool draw or Liverpool lose, okay? And you can do that by going to what's known as an exchange. You don't need to know what an exchange is. Sam will explain that in the training, okay? But they exist, and these are the places where you can make a different kind of bet called a lay bet, okay? And with a lay bet, you can say, I lay Liverpool to win, which what it means is that I bet Liverpool will not win, okay? So your back bet covers Liverpool winning, and your lay bet covers Liverpool drawing and losing, okay? So no matter whether Liverpool win, draw or lose, you've got something to cover that, either at Betfair or at your exchange. So whatever the outcome, you'll get your fiver back, okay? So let's look at that. If Liverpool win, your back bet will win at Coral, yeah? If Liverpool lose, your lay bet will win at Betfair. Betfair is an exchange, okay? If Liverpool draw, your lay bet will win at Betfair as well, okay? Because like I said, a draw isn't a win, so it covers that as well. So the main thing to understand here is that all the different outcomes are covered, okay? So doesn't matter what happens, you're going to get your fiver back, okay? But because you've met the criteria of the bet, Coral will go, okay, here's your £20 free bet. And that there is how you get a free bet for very little work at all. And so the next stage that I'll let Sam show you in the training is how you turn the £20 free bet into risk-free profit. You could just bet that £20 free on something, but you're not guaranteed to get any money back, are you? Match betting isn't gambling. It's quite the opposite. It's guaranteeing profit, which isn't gambling. So yeah, that's a bit of an intro into it, but I'll let Sam do the training because it is a lot better than I could ever do. So links down there to the website. I'm going to show you the website now. if I click here, this is what you see when you visit the website for the first time and you're not signed up to anything. Make that bigger. Okay, so profit accumulator. I make £2,000 every month match betting. That is totally possible. Okay, you might not in your first month, but you will get there. Okay, and it's a great feeling, you know, having money just coming in whenever you want it. Just spend a couple of hours doing it, make a few quid. Okay, so click here to find out how. This is worth going through. All the information about it, how it's not betting and how it isn't gambling and stuff like that. Who can do it? Students, single moms, full-time workers. Basically anyone can do it as long as you've got a couple of hours to put in. And then down here you've got your options, your payment options or your free trial. So my advice would be do the free trial because it lets you have a go at it without giving anyone any money. Once you've done the free trial, you've done the training, you'll know exactly how it works, and you can do 2 sign-up offers, step-by-step video tutorials on them, and then you'll make about 45 quid. So you could do that after this video. You could go down there, click the link, sign up, and make 45 quid today. Sounds good, right? It is good. It is literally that good. So I have already signed up with this, so I'm going to show you inside the free account section now. Okay, so I'm just going to log in here. Here we go. So once you're logged in, you get this video here. It's like a welcome video.
Hey, how's it going? Thank you very much for taking the time to create an account with me. Now, you've either just created a free trial account or you've just bought a platinum subscription. Whatever it is, there's a few steps you need to take before you start going ahead and making money. Underneath this video, you're going to see a big blue button that says click here to start making money. If you click on that, you're going to get taken to the offers page where you'll see a list of modules to complete.
Okay, so Sam's a very good teacher. He's very clear, concise and punctual. So he's saying click the blue button, so let's click the blue button. Inside here is what's called the offers section of the page. Now you can only see 4 links there, okay? That's because we're on the free account, which is what you'll see when you get your free account. But actually, with a platinum members account, in this page you'll be able to scroll down and down and down and down because there's hundreds of sign-up offers. Okay, each one worth 10 quid, 20 quid, 35 quid, 200 quid. There's lots and lots of them to do, and you just work your way through them, just making money day by day. Okay, so the ones you've got here, the top one is the match betting basic training. This is essential that you watch this and watch it 2 or 3 times. Okay, make sure you know exactly what you're doing. The training's really good, and you will understand it. But it's really important that you watch that before you go into the first offer, which is Coral. So let's watch a bit of the Coral offer. This is where you get your step-by-step instructions.
One of the easiest match betting offers to do first is the Coral sign-up bonus. Coral are an English bookmaker. You might have even seen some of their shops around the country. And they offer a £20 free bet for new online customers. And to qualify for that free bet, all you have to do is deposit and place a and overthink and overanalyze too much, but really you just need to get in there and get it done. But you can pick pretty much anything
exactly how to do this offer. Okay.
Generally, the higher in the list is, the better.
20 quid.
However, you also want to pay attention to the odds over here.
18, no, more like 18 quid.
If the odds are high, you're going to need to deposit more money in.
But it's risk-free.
Now, the odds matcher has told me that I'm betting on Tottenham.
Okay.
You just need to go for something with lower odds.
So once you've done that, you'll have about 18 quid, and you just literally move on to the next one. Click back on offers. Get the Betfred one. This one's worth a bit more money. It's worth 35 quid. Again, you'll get step-by-step instructions on how to do it from the main man, Sam.
Betfred are offering all new customers a £30 free bet if you place a £10 bet with them.
Okay.
First of all,
So watch that one as well. Something's gone wrong
once
with
it's
player.
loaded up,
Yeah,
at the
watch that
top,
one.
select
You'll go
Bet
through
Threat from the drop-down
exactly
list and
everything you need
press
to do.
Search. All of the available matches are
Okay.
displayed. For this
And you can do both of them in about an hour, probably, if it's your first time doing it. You might do it a little bit slower than normal. Normally it'd take about 15 minutes to do one at max. So you'll go through them, watch the videos, watch them again if you're not sure. But then once you've done them, you'll be about 45 quid up. Yeah, so you could do that today if you wanted to. Click the link, get a free account, and do it today, and you're 45 quid up. Happy days, right? So once you've done those two, you will have about 45 quid profit, and you could use that to pay for your first platinum month's membership. It makes complete sense to do so, because then you get the full list of offers and you can just go through them, bang, 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 making money. That's what I did, and it's like it's about £1,800 worth of offers in there for you to do. It's quite amazing. And then once you've done all the sign-up offers, you can go into what they call the reload offers, which are taught to you as well how to do those. They're slightly different, but all the training's in there. So it's just constant cash flow, basically. The free offers never end and the profit never ends. The two tools that you need are the odds matching software and the calculator. Okay, they're shown to you in the training. Those are the two tools that you need to make the money. The other thing I'd like to point out is the support that you get when you use this website. The support is awesome. Okay, if you've got any questions or any queries, anything really, you can email the support guys and they'll get back to you, and they're really good. But also there's a Platinum Members Forum area which is actually hosted on Facebook. Okay, so when you join the Platinum area member, you get put into a special Facebook group, okay, which is full of people who've joined this site, and you can post questions there in the relevant sections, and you'll get answers like that. You'll get maybe 5 or 6 people telling you the answer to your question, which is amazing. Okay, it's really quick support from professional match bettors. I wanted to show you something else as well. If I go here, I'll show you the group. If I put profit in there like that, this is the company like page. Okay, 29,000 people like that, all good. This here is the Profit Accumulator Platinum Members secret area. Okay, just look how many people are in there. 11,228. Every day that number goes up massively. Okay, because so many people are getting on this and making money. And you can too. All you've got to do is get that free account, learn the basic training, and get on this. It's I wanted to show that to you as well, because it's a way of kind of showing that this isn't a scam. This isn't some kind of throwaway website that's just trying to steal your money. It is a real opportunity, this, and you need to take it seriously and have a go, because I've never come across anything like this on the internet. It's just a great thing that's just, I don't know what else to say. It's just awesome. So 11,228 people are doing this, and you can too. So hope that helps. Just click the link and get a free account, get on the training, and you'll be making money today. It's really that good. Catch you in a bit.